Hey, welcome back to our channel. Here we are going to learn about Beehiiv versus Substack, a comprehensive analysis. Subscribe and let us explore together. Let us begin now. In the fast evolving realm of digital content creation and distribution, Beehiiv and Substack have emerged as leading platforms. As of 2024, the debate over which platform excels continues to intrigue creators and publishers alike. This analysis explores the unique features and strengths of Beehiiv and Substack, providing insights into their suitability for various types of content creators. Overview of Beehiiv. Beehiiv has garnered attention for its innovative approach to community building and collaborative storytelling. Like traditional newsletter platforms, Beehiiv encourages creators to publish serialized content, engage in discussions, and collaborate on projects with other writers and readers. This emphasis on communal creativity sets Beehiiv apart, fostering a dynamic environment where creators can interact closely with their audience and co-authors. One of Beehiiv's standout features is its commitment to inclusivity and diverse voices. Beehiiv enhances storytelling quality while cultivating a supportive community. Creators on Beehiiv can leverage collaborative tools to experiment with new storytelling formats, share insights, and receive constructive feedback, enriching their content creation process. Overview of Substack. Substack, established earlier than Beehiiv, has become a preferred platform for independent newsletter creators seeking straightforward monetization options. It allows writers to easily set up and monetize newsletters through subscriptions and donations. Creators retain full control over their content and subscriber relationships, making it appealing for those looking to monetize their audience directly without the constraints of traditional publishing models. The simplicity and user friendliness of Substack are key drivers of its popularity. Creators can customize newsletters, manage subscriptions seamlessly, and access analytics to track reader engagement. This also provides valuable insights to optimize their subscriber base and revenue streams. Hit your comparison. Number 1. Community and collaboration. Beehiiv emphasizes collaborative storytelling and community interaction through co-authoring and interactive projects. Substack focuses on individual creators building direct relationships with subscribers with less emphasis on collaborative features. Number 2. Monetization options. Beehiiv offers diverse monetization models, including subscriptions and collaborative projects, promoting multiple revenue streams. Substack enables creators to earn revenue primarily through subscription fees and donations with straightforward monetization tools and analytics. Number 3. Customization and control. Beehiiv provides robust tools for creators to customize content and engage in collaborative projects, enhancing creative flexibility. Substack offers customizable newsletter templates and direct control over pricing, content distribution, and subscriber management. Number 4. Audience engagement. Beehiiv promotes community engagement through collaborative projects, discussions, and feedback mechanisms, fostering a sense of belonging among creators and readers. Substack focuses on personalized engagement with subscribers through tailored newsletters and analytics driven insights, facilitating direct communication and reader loyalty. Which platform is better? The choice between Beehiiv and Substack depends on the creator's objectives, audience engagement strategies, and content creation preferences. For creators focused on community engagement, Beehiiv may be preferable due to its emphasis on collaborative storytelling and interactive projects. Writers interested in co-authoring content, engaging in reader discussions, and fostering a supportive community atmosphere may find Beehiiv's platform more aligned with their creative goals. For creators seeking independent monetization, Substack provides a straightforward route through subscriptions and donations. Creators who value maintaining direct control over their subscriber base, content distribution, and revenue streams often favor Substack for its intuitive monetization tools and analytics-driven insights. Regarding customization and control, both platforms offer different levels of flexibility. Creators looking for extensive customization options and collaborative tools may benefit from Beehiiv. Conversely, those prioritizing simplicity and streamlined monetization options may find Substack more suitable for their needs. In conclusion, Beehiiv and Substack represent distinct approaches to digital content creation and monetization, each catering to different needs and preferences of creators. Beehiiv stands out for its emphasis on community engagement, collaborative storytelling, and diverse content creation opportunities. In contrast, Substack excels in providing straightforward monetization tools, a user-friendly interface, and direct control over subscriber relationships. Understanding the unique strengths and features of Beehiiv and Substack is essential for making an informed decision aligned with your content goals and audience engagement strategies. And there you have it. Thank you for watching videos on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content and exploration. See you in the next video.